hotel. And there's Mama and Allie. And look, we're staying here. Look, the view. There's the hotel. It's so big.
That's part of the pool we went swimming in. It's covered up. That's the
Pool's
outside
down
pool.
there.
And then we went to the pool that's on the inside.
And there's where we're staying. Hi, Mom. And now we're about to get on the elevator and go downstairs and eat breakfast.
Mary, you want to
Okay?
see where our room was? Maybe we can do that when we get off.
Let's see, which elevator is it going to be?
I think it's this one.
This one or this one? Mira thinks and Allie thinks that it's going to be this one.
What about you?
I think you're right.
She's ready to get on. We gotta wait for that light up there. Up there at the top, Mira.
See the light?
It's got a ding. You knew that, right, Allie?
Waiting on the elevator. There it is, going down. Hello.
What number?
It's pushed already. You can leave it.
2 and dog.
2 and L. Lobby.
2,
You hungry?
Hey, Mira.
and
Hi. We're going to go eat.
Just a red button. That one keeps the door open so the arrows are going out.
What is this?
That's beauty code, I think.
I think it's fine. And what about this? A rocket key on it.
Yeah, if someone wanted to stop it. Don't push any of those, okay?
What is this, Mommy?
That's if you want the doors to close, because the arrows are going in.
What up
Oops.
over here?
Yeah, those are 1/6s.
No, what is it?
If you needed help.
It's flattening.
So we'll hold this since we're all
This
getting
is
up.
where
We'll
we're
hold the
getting
door
on.
open.
And there's a baby.
There you go. Got the door open.
Okay.
Go ahead, Ellen.
Thank you. You're at the lobby.